a moment to relax and to be able to talk to other directors without pressure.
Now, the International Trade and Logistics Summit has come to a close in Mombasa, with stakeholders calling for innovation, collaboration and technology-driven growth in regional commerce. Now, the summit, organized jointly by KNCCI and KIFWA, brought together key players from the trade and logistics sector to discuss now global trade and also geopolitical shifts, automation and AI in logistics, sustainable and resilient supply chains.
This summit is not just about ideas. It is also about action and collaboration. It is about aligning with international best practices, building resilient supply chains, and positioning Mombasa once again as a regional benchmark for efficiency, innovation, and sustainable trade. Let this be a forum where we listen, learn, and lean together, creating networks that go beyond this room to shape the future of commerce across our region.
Our roads, ports, and logistics systems aren't just part of our economy, they are the economy. They keep goods moving, business running, and families thriving. So this summit gives us a chance to stop for a moment and ask, how can we do things better, smarter, together? Because if we get logistics right, we get trade right, and when trade thrives, our people prosper. We are here to discuss real issues, from port efficiency to custom process to digital system, sustainability, and the need for deeper partnerships. We all know the challenges, but we also know the potential that lies ahead if we work as one. Because our strength as a sector lies not in competition, but in collaboration.